Welcome to Lesson 2.2, Free OSINT Tools for Beginners. In this lesson, we'll explore practical tools that investigators, journalists, and researchers use to verify information online without spending any money. If you're just starting your OSINT journey, this lesson will give you a strong foundation. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what OSINT tools are and how they support digital investigations. We'll look at essential free tools, how they work, and when to use them. Most importantly, you'll learn how to apply them practically, not just theoretically, in real-world verification scenarios. Introduction to OSINT tools. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. It refers to collecting and analyzing information from publicly available sources, such as websites, social media, public records, and multimedia content. OSINT tools make this process easier by helping us gather, archive, analyze, and verify digital information efficiently. Instead of guessing whether something is real, we use tools to investigate it systematically. Wayback Machine. The Wayback Machine allows you to view archived versions of websites from the past. This is extremely useful when investigating deleted posts, edited articles, or changed headlines. If someone claims a website never published something, you can check its previous versions. For journalists and fact-checkers, this tool is powerful evidence. TinEye. TinEye is a reverse image search tool. Instead of searching using text, you upload an image. The tool shows where that image has appeared online before. This helps you detect reused, old, or manipulated images, which are common in misinformation campaigns. People. People is a people lookup tool designed to gather publicly available information about individuals. It can help verify identities, cross-check contact details, or confirm whether a profile appears legitimate. However, always use such tools ethically and respect privacy laws in your region. InVID. InVID is designed for video verification. It allows you to break videos into keyframes and run reverse image searches on those frames. This helps determine whether a video is recent, reused, or taken out of context. For fact-checkers, this is one of the most essential tools for verifying viral content. Metadata viewers. Metadata viewers allow you to extract hidden information from files. For example, images may contain data about when and where they were taken, the device used, and editing history. This hidden data can reveal inconsistencies and help confirm authenticity. However, remember that metadata can sometimes be removed or altered. Practical tips for beginners. If you're new to OSINT, start simple. Master one or two tools before moving to advanced techniques. Always verify information using multiple sources. Never rely on just one tool. Document your steps carefully. A well-documented investigation is not only organized, but also credible and defensible if questioned later.